Vanakkam, Namaskara, Namaste. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn the function max and minimum. Maximum and minimum. Max is short form for maximum and min is short form for minimum. Okay, what this function does is it picks the highest. For max, it picks the highest value from a list of data, and min function will pick the lowest value from list of data. Now let's look with an example, understand with an example. Okay, here we have sales data for this region across this month. Okay, now using the max function, we will find out which is the highest sales uh, among this. So whether it is in October, November, or December for Bangalore North, Bangalore South, West. So let's see how we put it. So the function will be equals to max open bracket and the data which we want to find. So from the data, this data we want to find the maximum. Okay, we'll just close the bracket and enter. So if you see 60,000 is the highest for Bangalore North. So 60,000 is the highest. So we'll just copy this data and you can see across regions which is a maximum. Say if Bangalore West it is in October, here October, here again in October, here South is in November. So we can get the maximum. Now we'll see month wise across region which is the highest sales. So we'll put max open bracket. We'll take this data, our data is here, and just close it. So among this, 1,70,552 is the highest. So we get this data. We'll just copy this data and paste it here. So you can see in November, this is the highest. In December, this is the highest. So it picks the maximum number. Now we'll see overall across region and across month which is the highest. So our data will be from here to here, the complete data. So let's see, equals to max open bracket. So we'll select the data from B2 till the last, that is D6. Close the bracket and enter. So if we see, this is the highest. Bangalore West in October, we had the maximum. Now, among these two, okay, we'll find the uh, highest. We'll say for November because November, and December, or we'll say October. That will be October and December. It will pick 170, so we'll change the figure somewhere here. We'll make it as 2 lakhs so that it pick that amount. Okay. See, now I say equals to max open bracket, and first set of data is in October, so I pick this, then I say comma, second set is in December. So we are looking into non-concurrent cells, so this is, and second set is this. We can go up to 30 sets. I'll just close and fine. So if we see, It is 2 lakhs for October and November. Now we'll see how the minimum works. Yeah. So instead of max, we'll put minimum. So just select the rest of the process will be the same. So it picks the minimum value, the lowest value. Just copy this so we can see it picks the lowest value. We'll pick for the month wise lowest. Copy, copy this formula and put it across other. It picks overall minimum. Open, select the data, entire data, close the bracket, and you get the minimum of entire data. And for October and November, if you want, put minimum, sorry, equals to minimum, open bracket, October, comma, December. Second set is December. Close it. So 45,000 is the lowest. So this is how we do maximum and minimum function. I hope you like this video. That's all in this video. I'll see you in next video. Until then, it's bye from Sarah.